To troubleshoot your Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by understanding what a traditional IRA is and how Wealthfront manages it. A traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that helps you manage your investments, including your traditional IRA. First, ensure you have an active Wealthfront account and that your traditional IRA is set up and funded. If you encounter any issues, check your account status and balances to identify the problem. Common issues include incomplete account setup, insufficient funds, or incorrect investment allocations. Next, review your investment portfolio to ensure it is aligned with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront offers a range of investment options, including index funds and ETFs. If your portfolio is not performing as expected, consider rebalancing your investments or adjusting your risk profile. Another key step is to monitor your contributions and withdrawals. Traditional IRA contributions are tax-deductible, but there are limits to how much you can contribute each year. Additionally, withdrawals before age 59.5 may be subject to penalties and taxes. Ensure you understand the rules and regulations surrounding traditional IRA contributions and withdrawals. If you encounter technical issues with your Wealthfront account, such as login problems or transaction errors, contact Wealthfront customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve the issue and provide guidance on using the platform. Finally, regularly review your traditional IRA account to ensure it is on track to meet your retirement goals. Wealthfront provides tools and resources to help you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively troubleshoot your Wealthfront traditional IRA and achieve a secure retirement.